Are you an ACCA student who's struggling to manage ACCA along with college studies? Then this video is absolutely for you. आपकी प्रॉब्लम जो है ना वो हर स्टूडेंट की प्रॉब्लम है, तो कुछ नया नहीं है और आपकी प्रॉब्लम वैलिड भी है बिकॉज यू हैव अ कॉलेज टू टेक केयर ऑफ जिसमें इतना लेक्चर्स अटेंड करना है, प्रोजेक्ट्स करना है, एग्जाम्स करना है, इंटर्नशिप्स करना है एंड देन यू हैव एन ACCA व्हिच यू आर डूइंग और आपको कैसे भी वो कॉलेज के पहले खत्म करना है. तो अब क्या किया जाए? I'm going to share some very interesting tips and tricks with you of how to manage ACCA alongside your college. Having spoken to so many ACCA affiliates, having spoken to so many students who have not just cleared but also cleared with ranks, मैं आपको बताऊंगा what is it that they do differently so that they are able to seamlessly balance off. I'm going to leave you behind with 5 powerful tips. आप इसको follow करोगे तो you'll be able to pull off ACCA very smoothly with your college. So watch till the very end. Number 1, compartmentalize. I think everything starts with compartmentalizing your life, right? Now you need to break your life into 3 or 4 compartments. Number 1 is the amount of time you spend in college. Number 2 is the time that you spend in, let's say, preparing for your ACCA. Let's say attending a coaching, for example. Number 3 is your self-study time for ACCA, which is very, 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 very important. And number 4 would be, let's say, your personal time.
So around the 20 days before the exam, I try to cover the entire syllabus. तो उससे क्या होता है, हम लोग को एक अच्छा बफर पीरियड मिल जाता है. इसमें अगर कॉलेज के कोई कमिटमेंट्स आ जाए तो वो कर सकते हैं, या फिर इफ़ आई एम फीलिंग अ लिटिल लूज ऑन सम इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स वो कर सकते हैं. स्टडी आपके क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं या फिर मॉक एग्जाम्स लिख सकते हैं.
Number 2, coaching plus self-study from day 0 is the recipe for success. So you need to start studying for ACCA from day 0. So for example, आप daily college attend करते हो, let's say 3 घंटा, 4 घंटा, depending on whatever your college program is, right? Now don't go overboard in that. जितना ज़रूरी है उतना attend करो. I think any coaching provider that you go to, at least bare minimum 10 hours a week of coaching तो बहुत ज़रूरी है, ठीक है? तो 10 एक घंटा तो आपको कम से कम coaching करना है plus minus. So the best thing I can recommend you is at least give 60 minutes of quality self-study time one day, 1 hour every day.
For example, once the lecture is complete, if you revise that thing on the same day or maybe the next day before the next class, then you are able to cover that portion
One night itself.
itself. And if you have any doubts, you can clear it on
the go.
On the go. Question practice is very important.
So what do you do in this? Obviously repeat whatever your coaches taught you. Yeah. Pick up a few questions from Study Hub or from your Kaplan or Study Hub and actually do it on the system.
I generally appear for 4 mock exams. The first one being from our Kaplan exam kit, and the rest 3 being from the ACCA practice platform. It is one exam that comes directly from the ACCA examiner. So that exam really helps us to know what to actually expect in the actual exam.
And obviously you need some space time for self. For yourself, you may want to play a sport, maybe you may want to watch Netflix, you may want to do whatever you want to do, but point is compartmentalize it and only spend as much time as you really need to. Number 3, do not be in a rush to start work early. A lot of students are in the rush to start work and I always tell you, please don't do that. Wait at least, if you're somebody who's struggling to manage, at least wait till 10 or 11 papers. तब तक काम मत शुरू करो. There's still time in life अगर आप undergrad studies के साथ ACCA कर रहे हो तो. And if you're a graduate and you're doing ACCA after TY, I would recommend at least wait for 1 paper of ACCA to happen. Clear it ताकि आपको पता चल जाए what is the recipe for success and then start work. Number 4, balancing semester exam week and ACCA exam week. I think the biggest problem I see ACCA students is when they're struggling when you have your semester exams. And especially when your ACCA exam week and your semester exam week is very close, तो बड़ा conflict हो जाता है. And ये at least twice a year तो काफ़ी बच्चों के साथ होता ही है, October, November and March. अब what to do? You can't do anything. Everybody is in the same boat. तो again I boil down to planning. तो आप वो 2 months में अपने कॉलेज का जो सेमेस्टर एग्जाम का आपका जो भी होता है सिलेबस, उसको भी थोड़ा सा आपको शुरुआत करनी पड़ेगा. आप पूछोगे सर उसको कब पढ़ा जाए, तो आप जो 5-6 घंटा कॉलेज में स्पेंड कर रहे हो ना, उस पर से कुछ घंटे री इन्वेस्ट कर लो एंड स्टार्ट स्टडिंग for the semester well in advance. So twice a year you will have to manage slightly better.
Managing college and ACCA is always about prioritizing. Like if I know I have my exams or my assignments during college, then I will schedule my day as it, and always vice versa.
Number 5, burning the midnight lamp. Now obviously doing all of this will mean you will have to burn the midnight lamp. So you have to understand something. You're doing a professional career. It's going to reward you for the next 30-40 years of your life. if you want a very comfortable, balanced life, it's not going to happen. You'll have to give yourself 3 years that career is going to give you the next 30-40 years, right? और एक और चीज़ समझो, you are a human being on the other side. Mistakes होती हैं, हम अपने mistakes से ही सीखते हैं. और बहुत बार ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि लाइफ में अनएक्सपेक्टेड चीज़ें आ जाए, तो एक हाथ एग्जाम स्किप हो गई तो it's okay.
So there was a time when I was severely ill, because of which I couldn't give an exam. And I felt really bad about it that I'm missing an attempt. But thankfully there will be flexibility. So I decided to give 2 papers at a time. But obviously giving 2 papers at a time is a very challenging task. But again, discipline comes into place when you have to give dedicated time to both the papers.
थोड़ा सा अपने लाइफ को कंपार्टमेंटलाइज करो, एक डिसिप्लिन में लेके आओ, एंड बी वेरी कॉन्शियस ऑफ द टाइम यू आर स्पेंडिंग बिटवीन कॉलेज, कोचिंग, स्टडीज एंड पर्सनल टाइम. और वो करोगे ना, आई एम डेफिनेटली टेलिंग यू विल मेक अ ब्यूटीफुल कैलेंडर फॉर योरसेल्फ. Having watched this video, if you feel the need to have a mentor who can sit with you, actually on a drawing table, compartmentalize life for you, help you get things in order, we are here to help. You can call us on the numbers flashing. A mentor will sit with you and help you plan your entire journey seamlessly. Good luck.